the pretty flowers. Most people can take their phone and take some nice shots of these, but with a 360 camera, such as the Insta360 X3, you can really get creative with your flower shots. Before shooting, I need to set the camera up. I take the invisible selfie stick, mount it on the camera, then I change the settings on the camera itself.
First, I choose HDR photo mode as I much prefer the picture quality of that setting. Then I set a 5-second countdown timer and I'm ready to shoot. I go and find some colourful flowers, stick the camera in behind them, press the capture button and smile. Another technique you can try is holding the camera above or on top of some flowers on the ground, such as this white clover. You can then use the Insta360 phone app or the desktop studio app to morph the image into this tunnel-like effect, which nicely frames the shot.
Flowers aren't the only thing you can use this camera for. Take this old wooden tree stub here. Put the selfie stick through this crack in the side, press the shutter on the camera, and smile. You don't have to have the camera lens facing up like this, or the other one facing down. You can try it sideways like that, but the stitching on here and down here between the lenses won't be that good. So you can just try it. I suggest either like that or like that and see what results you get. So there you have it. Just a few ways to get creative with your Insta360 X3. Happy shooting!